We've always had a passion for adventure. To journey into the unfamiliar and uncover new places. To fully embrace our chosen lifestyle and live it to its fullest potential. That's what drives us. Let's embark on a global voyage. And share it with you, with all of its unforgettable moments. First on our itinerary is a place we've longed to visit. Welcome to Albania. This is merely the beginning. Of an extraordinary journey around the world. We can't wait to show you what's next.